let's look at our extensors. So if I am holding his hand, I know that this is the crease of my elbow, and everything from this sort of line or crease that goes along the muscles to this one on this side that shows me the ulna, everything on the back side of the hand is going to be called extensors. Now we already looked at this first muscle. It came down from the brachialis, and when we touched it, we said it started in the brachial region and then it came down along the radius. So this first one we already know is the brachioradialis. So now I'm looking at these two muscles. They are two separate muscles, but they are called the same thing. These are both called your extensor carpi radialis. We just have a longus and a brevis. Brevis just means it's brief or short. This muscle that is coming down with a tendon that goes to each of the digits would be called my extensor digitorum. This little muscle kind of peeking out in between two, we can follow its tendon to just a little pinky finger. So we're going to call that one the extensor digiti minimi. And if we look here at this last muscle, it goes along the ulna. So this is my extensor carpi ulnaris. We already did this muscle here and we identified it as the anconeus. Now, as you're looking at these extensors, we have three muscles that are deep. And the only piece that we have to remove is the piece that has the extensor digitorum on it. When I remove that one, I'll get this rubber band out the way. We can see a few muscles here. And the largest one to see, it almost looks like it would be two pieces, but it's kind of just one big large muscle. And we can follow its tendon all the way to the outside of the thumb. Its job is to help or assist in moving the thumb away from the hand. So if I move the thumb away, I know that that word is going to be abductor. The word for the thumb is pollicus, and because these are all the way up on the forearm but controlling the thumb, we call them longus. So this muscle is called the abductor pollicus longus. We've got two other little muscles down here. This one right here that we see on the left side of the nerve and blood vessel has a tendon that's showing right here, and it comes to the top of the thumb. Its job is going to be to extend the thumb, so we call this the extensor pollicus. And then if we look right to the opposite side, so just to the right of that blood vessel and nerve, I see a little piece of a muscle. We can't follow a tendon anywhere on that one, but that one's called the extensor indicis. It's going to go to your index finger to help extend your index finger. Now, because that one's hard to see, we won't test you on that one, but I do want you to know that it exists there.